Everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm actually going to try to have enough time to do this vent takeoff, and I'm going to cut this hole and then get the takeoff mounted, and then if I have enough time, I'll continue with putting in the duct boot, getting it mounted and attached to the takeoff, and then I'll just plug up that boot with some plastic and some foam, make it airtight. So hopefully I can get all that done. We'll see. So if you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. And as soon as the video's over, go check out some of our other content.
That's gonna do it for today's video. I got these other both vents installed today, obviously, so I'm gonna get these wrapped in the radiant barrier tomorrow, and then that will be good for now. And I can start working on this support post underneath these beams, and then I can get in the concrete blocks as part of that, and I'll start putting floor joist in, and I'll support these vents to some custom cut braces in between my floor joists. So hope you enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate everybody. Bigfoot.